It's currently 12:13 a.m. and I have a flight to catch at 4:50 p.m. and I'm not packed. It's very unlike me because usually I pack maybe like 2-3 weeks before my trip because I don't want to forget anything. In fact, I have a list, but now I don't have a list. I don't have anything. I'm just like packing my stuff. I have like our stuff in a box, but I don't even know if what I have there is compatible with where we're going to. So we're going to a very cold place. So like, see, it's scattered. Like everywhere is just like there are just clothes everywhere. But let's see how much I can get done before we travel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Today I'm bringing you along as I tackle one of the biggest holiday challenges I've ever had, that is packing for my trip. And I'm not just packing for myself, I'm packing for my 3-month-old too. So let's get started. Now, one thing I'll usually do before going on a trip is actually having a list. I have like a legit list of things that I will take. Now, I had a list, but I did not compile it completely for this trip, so that's why I just had like so many things inside the box, because as I thought of stuff I just threw them in the box, which is how I pack. And usually I will start doing that maybe 2 to 3 weeks before the trip, but having a baby now just made it very difficult to actually pack my stuff. Now, because we're going to a cold place, a very cold place, I had to pack properly for my baby. I didn't mind like what I was going to wear and stuff, but I was really particular about what she was going to wear, and I wanted something that was also light to carry. So because I didn't want to forget anything for my baby, I had to start with her outfits first. So I took onesies, and I'm going to try to make a video on how I traveled, like what I took with me. But I took a lot of sleep and plays that she could wear because of the cold. I took trousers, jean trousers. I took a lot of onesies, long sleeve onesies, not short sleeves. And I also had something thick, like thick cardigans and jackets. I took beanies for her, gloves for her, even her sleepwear as well. I took like sleep sacks and long sleep nightwears for her because of the cold. I took her winter jacket and all of that. It is done. Just need to add a few more things and we're good to go. So I'm going to show you some of the things I took with me in my diaper bag, just to ensure that I was well prepped for the travel. So I had like her toy that she could use. Then I also had my nursing cloth, my nursing cover in case I wanted to breastfeed. Then I had my hot water bottle just for hot water to melt milk. I had my changing pad, nylon bags for used diapers, wipes. I had extra diapers. I also had like thick socks just in case. I had cloths just to clean any mess. Then that's a charger, her pacifier. The charger is for the bottle warmer. That's a bottle warmer that you can use to travel. Then I had bottles in the bag and my milk bottle that I will use when I had gotten to my destination. Then I got this arm pillow from Amazon to travel. It was really, really helpful for my travel. So I knew I was going to need that. I saw that on one video. So I'm done packing. I'm done. I'm excited. Good job. I have to figure out how to close this, but yeah. Packing for yourself and your baby is something that you have to really be mindful of, and you have to be prepared for everything and anything. I think I was able to achieve that in the 3 to 4 hours that I started packing. But one major problem that I faced was trying to lock my box. I had to like move some things from my side to the other side. So I used a box that has two sides so that it would be easy for me to like locate my stuff and my baby stuff. And then I was also able to get this cover from Amazon that I'll link in my description to ensure that my box did not have scratches, because the airline I use, my boxes have suffered. You're so incomplete. You're so incomplete. They made it with us. At first, the man thought I need to go with my water, my hot water. I say, I'm not for milk. Baby, they hear me? I hear you. They say, not for milk. I'm not going to go water from this place. Don't go.
And if you're a Mileage Plus Chase card member, use your card to get 25% back on in-flight purchases. As a reminder, drinking personal alcohol you may have brought on board is not permitted. Once again, welcome aboard.
We're home. We're home.
Are you being yes. Yeah. Yeah. Just the
I captured. Don't cry. Yes.
I'm sleeping alone. Oh my gosh. I'm sleeping alone. God is good.